Imagine you come to China, you're starving, you just got off the plane, you're not quite ready for spicy Chinese food, so you go to KFC. You go to order, and what do you find? Chicken fingers. And that's what we're gonna find today. Let's go. What are you doing? Alright, let's go and get some chicken fingers. Yeah, so in every country, the food and the menu in McDonald's or KFC is always different. But never have I ever tried chicken fingers. Or do you want to order? Just scan it by phone.
My first was
Okay. So when you order, you just scan on like a QR code and you just order it. But look at the top, this is what we're going to get. And only at 8 p.m. So it's quite similar to the McDonald's breakfast, how you can only order it at a specific time. And chicken fingers come on at 8 p.m. at night. So yeah, I've tried everything in China. Hot pot, you know, spicy food, everything you can think of. But I've never tried this, chicken fingers.
you see the picture.
Yeah, which is quite normal in China. So starting to scan this QR code, and this is the menu. So you can choose to eat in the store, and yeah, look at that. For 24 RMB, you got yourself some chicken fingers. Oh, 29. So yeah, for 29 RMB, you can get yourself some chicken fingers. They have all sorts of other chicken products, but that's what we're after. This one here. Have a closer look. Look at that. Bloody hell.
Finished.
There we go, $29.99. So we're going to try some chicken
That's it.
fingers. Alright, let's have a seat down here whilst we wait for our food. So in the KFC in China, they have all the things you can find in other countries. They got a spicy chicken burger, nuggets, wings. But one thing that's quite common in China is milk tea, which you can buy here. But yeah, mashed potato, a little custard tart. This is kind of what the KFCs here look like. But this is the craziest thing on the menu, the chicken fingers. You can find the zinger burger, wings, the classic stuff you have in KFC, but never ever tried this one.
Stop acting British, eat something normal. Everything normal. You have the fish head pie called what? The fish head in the pie like this.
Can't remember the name. Yeah, what is it called? Like fish heads or something. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you've eaten chicken fingers before, just not the KFC one, right?
You eat my finger. Give you.
Yeah, so in China, chicken fingers is quite a normal thing to eat, but I'm sure this is the only country that sells it. Yeah, let me know if you're from Asia. Have you had this in your KFC?
You have been in Korea. What do you mean? I'm the only country. His only country eats chicken fingers.
No, that's KFC chicken fingers. Who knows?
Do you know what Vietnam KFC sell?
What?
I don't know. Maybe spiders. Fried spider.
Fried spiders. There we go. Spiders in Vietnamese KFC, apparently. Oh, delivery driver. Okay guys, so let's get our chicken fingers. So it comes in this red box. We even got some gloves. Okay. Alright, so first of all we get some this is the box. It comes in a nice red packaging. Yeah. And pretty normal. Got some English writing on the front, Chinese on the top. Do you want to open it up?
Open now.
Why don't you open it up? Okay, moment of truth, big reveal. Let's show them what it looks like. So straight out of the box, this is kind of what they look like. They look quite dry, as you can see. And they're giving us some gloves. I think I'm just going to go raw hands. Alright, do you want to take one?
Hot.
Hot, like straight out the oven. But yeah, look at that. It's a claw. You need to teach me how to eat these because I've never had this in my life.
Put in your mouth.
Okay, let's get more of a claw one.
You can see the meal.
These are hot,
It's
you're
so
right.
dark.
But how do you eat them? Do you suck it or do you eat on the side? What's the best way to do it? What's the best way to eat it? Straight in or
Sniff it.
sniff it first? So yeah, it smells a bit spicy, right? He's going in for a straight bite. How was it?
We
Alright.
try.
Should I bite on the side like this?
Mm.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna bite the claws. Just see how they taste.
Spicy.
Right.
Oh.
It tastes like greasy, it's not really that spicy. Ah, there's a slight spice on it as well. But there's not much meat on them, you're kind of chewing the claws. You're eating it whole. Did you just bite the fingers off?
In the middle here, like this part,
Yeah.
there's some chewy.
Like cartilage.
Mm.
Oh, okay. I'm not chewing the fingers off, I'm just going to nibble at the sides.
Not that way. In the middle.
In
Inside.
the middle.
Yeah, the paw.
It's not bad, but it's just strange that you have the shape of the animal.
You don't feel strange to eat the fish head in the pie.
I don't eat fish head. But pretty good. It tastes right, it's not that bad. But yeah, they put all the different parts of the chicken inside this box. Like, this is really different to this one. So you can tell she's eaten this before. She's chewing the whole thing. My attempt is quite pathetic at the moment.
No, this is press the part.
This bit here, best part.
No, the paw.
Oh, apparently like the palm is the best part. So like the nails, or the whatever you call them, the claws, kind of just peel off as you bite them. And you're just left with the soft bone, the cartilage.
Ah,
You want the second one? You want the No chicken head in here, right? Or just claws?
if you want.
If I want, what? You're gonna have some. Who's that?
You make it so wet.
See, look at that professional, filling off my food. But look on the box, guys, it says, it's finger licking good. China, when they saw that, they were like, literally, it is. And so they made chicken fingers. They got greasy hands, but look even on the wall, it says, it's finger licking good. It went in 2 or 1?
What?
Okay, let's try there's bits of chicken as well. This isn't all the claw, right? They put bits of chicken
This
in.
elbow.
Elbow, okay, but chicken,
Here.
yeah, chicken elbow. So yeah, they chuck it all in.
Is it?
So, but it's got this spicy kind of sauce on the top. Not sauce, but just some spicy stuff on top.
Juicy.
Chinese style, like Sichuan. Look at your chicken. Oh, it's gone.
Wing.
What's this part?
Wing.
Chicken wing. Oh, a bit of a wing. So we do have some other parts, but the main thing was the claw. Oh my god. This is nice. I like the batter. The batter's pretty good. And notice how it's slightly orange. It's different to the yellow standard chicken wings you get.
I'm full.
Cool. Alright, let's try a few more. What else we got left? So, yeah, look at all the different selection we have in here. Any part you recommend? What's this?
This.
So
Oh, it's here.
oh, okay, like collarbone. How do you know all the different parts? What's this one? That's a claw.
Because I'm educated.
Educated. What's that's a claw, right?
No, it's a fin. No, it's a wing. The top, outside one.
Bloody hell.
Like this shape.
Oh,
British
okay.
eat this part,
Oh, okay.
and this is here.
But yeah, let's try the collarbone, chicken collarbone. Oh, nice. Yeah. Just the fingers is strange.
How if there's someone else eat it and they left and they refried it again? I watched some video
Like in
about
Philippines?
the Philippines. Yeah, they go KFC and find some bone.
Yeah, refitting this, that'd be crazy.
Do you want to try?
Try what? Send this to the Philippines. But yeah, the batter's really nice. It's quite spicy. Alright, we're gonna try the wing. It's a wing, right? It's not a claw or something. Okay, so it's like a small wing of the chicken. Not much meat on it, but it's good. You try one.
Oh, I think someone drink beer, and they order this just to eat like snacks.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's not it's neck. It's chicken neck.
Oh, the neck.
Yeah, it's neck.
But yeah, I don't know how she knows all this, but chicken neck. Wow. So they really get all the different parts. I remember back in the day with chicken nuggets at McDonald's, people used to say they put the worst meat in here.
You don't eat neck.
But this KFC,
It's neck.
you know what you're eating. They'll show you the neck, the wings, bloody fingers. But you can only get this at 8 PM at night. So it's like a secret thing on the menu.
It's just a snacks for drink.
Yeah. So it's 8 PM because yeah, Chinese people drink a lot at night. So this is just like a snack to eat with their friends. Yeah, some snack, eh? Should we try the neck?
No,
No?
no, don't eat it.
Why? It's disgusting.
No, how to say it? Let me search that word.
Alright. Let's give it. She says don't eat it. Let's give it a try. Lymph. Something lymph.
I have some lymph. Lymph.
Like disease.
Do you know what's a human's lymph?
Alright. So what are we giving this out of 10? I like the batter. The batter is good, but with this, there's not much meat compared to a standard chicken wing. What are you going to give it out of 10? 2 out of 10?
2.
You've had better chicken fingers in China.
You have to try the chicken fingers in Korea. Really nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm giving it 2. I'll give it a 3 because it's better than I expected. I like the spicy coating, but if I came here again, I think it's something you definitely try once. I'm not going to order it again. Maybe go for a chicken burger or something next time. But yeah, we're going to see these off, see how many we get through. But yeah, this was KFC chicken fingers. Yeah? Cool. Alright, see you for the next one, guys. Peace.